car is a goner. Zombie's remains are stuck in its wheels.
Can't you fix it?
That's impossible, kid. There's a road sign up ahead. Let's hope we're going the right way. This way. Follow me closely. What the hell? Those blasted things found us! Get ready for battle! I'll crush you! No one's getting through this! Too many zombies here. The shelter doesn't seem safe.
Maybe we can ask someone for help. There's a puppy! Come here, little puppy.
Hey! Don't go off on your own! Come on, kid.
Help! Go away, you monster! Need a hand? They just keep on coming. Look out! I don't think I can watch your back.
Hold on to your weapons. Leave the rest to me.
I'm not scared of you. How many pieces should I cut you up into? You can't bite me! I'm Catherine, a resident at that shelter. You came at a bad time. This place was invaded by zombies a week ago. You should leave.
Why are you still here?
My sister is in the shelter. I can't leave her there alone. You saved us, so we'll help you find your sister, right, McFadden?
You call the shots.
There's a side door up ahead. We can enter the shelter from there.
Do you know how to open it?
He was in charge of guarding the side entrance. Poor guy.
I hope you remembered your...
These drawings look like hints. Maybe they'll help us unlock the door.
Here. You have to push the buttons in the correct order. this door lead to the shelter you were talking about?
That's right. I hope my sister is safe. Let's get in there and help her. Cynthia, I finally found you. Looks like you've had a good week.
Yeah, right. I have to do what I can to drive those zombies out.
Perhaps I can help you. You have a plan? What's the situation here?
As you can see, the outer areas of the shelter have been overrun by zombies. We have to get rid of them and fix the barricade to keep them out.
Well, it's an ambitious plan. I hope you still have enough supplies and manpower.
Our supplies are running low. We'll have to think of how to gather more. There's an abandoned warehouse at the shelter we may be able to use.
Whatever you say, Commander. Work, work. Gotta get that bread.
We now have enough resources to repair the warehouse. We stocked up on some supplies in the warehouse, but we don't have much food left. We need to stock up on more.
We have a tomato farm, so food's not a problem. Just need to clean up a bit.
Our time has come.
I'm more proficient with the gun than a hoe. I'll crush you!
I have
No one's getting through this!
How many pieces should I cut you up into?
I'll crush you!
How many pieces should I cut you up into?
Great. It looks like this place suits you well. There are more survivors who need our help in the shelter. Catherine and I will be on our way.
Please continue to repair the shelter and help us out with our plans. You can look for us if you run into any trouble.
Yes, sir. I'd do anything for him. The last bullet? That's me.
I need more food to start work.
Right away, Commander.
Whatever you say, Commander.
How terrifying. There are monsters everywhere. Thank you.
What's the use of farming at a time like this? It's time to continue farming again.
Even with our food and supplies settled, we'll need more manpower. The people in the shelter are too drained from fighting the zombies.
The people here are hurt. They're scared and in pain.
They're in despair. All we can do is help them settle down, but the rest is up to them. This used to be a police station. The patrol car can help us find more people to join us. We need to find a way to repair it.
Work, work. Gotta get that bread.
Please, save my grandpa. He's really sick. No. Please don't give up on him.
At least there's work to do.
We now have enough resources to repair the hospital. I need alcohol. I'm alive, thanks to you.
This isn't a bite wound. I swear. I promise to repay you if I get through this.
I lost too much blood. I feel faint. He wasn't as lucky as me.
We lost all hope. We had no food, and we didn't want to become those things. Leave me alone.
Cherish the present, partner. We can't stay in this hellhole. And there's nothing to feed us here. Old Charlie's about to starve to death, mind you.
We'll provide you with food and supplies. You know how scarce these are now. Join us.
Is this the last area? That looks like the barracks.
We've cleared out the zombies in the other areas, but this place is still full of them. Could this be their nest? We need to arm ourselves and improve our strength. Once we do that, we can finish them once and for all. I hope they don't have to wait too long. These obstacles are blocking us from entering. But they could also be blocking some things from coming out. Hey, be careful! These zombies are stronger than the ones we fought before. Looks like we'll be facing their leader soon!
You can't bite me!
No one's getting through this! No one's getting through this!
Just keep on coming. Keep on coming.
No one's getting through this!
I'm not scared of you.
Great job. We've gotten rid of all the zombies in the shelter. The plan worked. We took back all the essential buildings. Now we just need to repair the barricade so they can't invade the shelter again.
The shelter is surrounded by many zombies, McFadden. We won't last if we get stuck here.
I've got an idea. I'll go make noise in the forest behind the hill to lure them away.
It's dangerous to go alone, McFadden. Take me with you.
There's a radio tower in this forest. It can make a loud noise to attract zombies.
There are many zombies blocking the path. Be careful, McFadden. You can't bite me!
No one's getting through this!
You can't bite me! eliminated them.
The radio tower's up ahead. Keep going. We're here. I hope it still works. Once this is connected,
I don't feel safe
make a
here.
sound.
Hurry,
just
McFadden.
like- Okay, the zombies are coming. We should get out of here. Are you okay?
Ouch! My arm!
Oh no. You've been bitten. I need a doctor. Peggy needs help. She's injured.
I'm a doctor. Let me take a look. Peggy's condition is extraordinary. She's resistant to the zombie virus. Take her to the treatment room. Quickly.
Please! I don't want to hurt you!
It doesn't matter, child. No, save you.
McFadden.
How is Peggy, Doctor?
She has developed antibodies for the zombie virus. I need more of the antivirus to treat her, McFadden.
You're doing me a huge favor. What's your name? I've never seen you at the shelter before.
I'm Angela, and I came here to seek refuge recently. If the shelter and the treatment room can be safely guarded, I'll assist in treating Peggy.
Of course. I'll come up with a plan to guard the shelter and buy us some time. We need a squad to battle. There's a group of dispirited troops outside. Let's call on them to fight the zombies with us. I hope they don't have to wait too long. This way. Who's still standing?
This amount of food is an absolute steal.
Bravo! Let's take out these zombies and continue our journey. Hang in there, kid. I'm on my way. I don't waste bullets. Shouldn't you be in the infirmary, Angela? It's not safe here.
There's not much in there, so I came out to find something I could use for the antivirus.
It'd be safer if you joined us. We'll search for what you need together.
Sounds good. I'm glad to be part of the team. Compassion is the last hope for this world.
I need more food to start work.
Good job. The shelter is secured. I've made a dose of the antivirus. Let's use it to treat Peggy. It's working. Peggy's antibodies may be the key to this viral outbreak. I'll keep treating her and develop an antidote for the virus.
Hang in.
This way. Who's still standing?
Lord.
I'm on my way. I don't waste bullets.
Right away, Commander.
Whatever you say, Commander. Work. Gotta get that bread.
We're all going to hell. All right. We're already there.
I'll crush you! Let's get moving. No one's getting through this! Been a string of awful events, but we have to keep going. Changing the shelter's look helps improve the ambience. There are currently 4 styles to choose from, and more options will be available in the future.
there's work to do.
Hang in there. This way. Who's still standing? Huh? Who would start a bonfire in the outer city? Let's find out.
You're a commander in this shelter. I can tell you I have enough supplies in this chest to feed many people. You can have them if you bring my son back to me. Follow this map for clues to find my son. Risk and exploration go hand in hand. Good luck.
I'll crush you! No one's getting through this! No one's getting through this!
you up into?
No one's getting through this!
How many pieces should I cut you up into?
No one's getting through this!
I'm sorry.
How many pieces should I cut you up into?
You're doing me a huge favor.
You can look for us if you run into any trouble.
I hope they don't have to... I'm on my way.
I don't waste bullets.
We'll all die one day.
This way. Who's still standing?
I feel so cold. I don't want to die. McFadden. I feel so cold.
No one's getting through this!
Just keep on coming.
crush you! No one's getting through this! I'll crush you!
I'm sorry.
No one's getting through this! Bang, bang, hold up! No one's getting through this! No one's getting through this! I'll crush you! Bang, bang, blow 'em up! No one's getting through this! No one's getting through this! Bang, bang, blow 'em up!
I'm sorry.
No one's getting through this!
They just keep on coming.
conquer.
No one's getting through this!
I hope they don't have to wait too long. I hope they don't have to wait.
I'll crush you! No one's getting through this! No one's getting through this! I'll crush you!